no choice which trading strategy you use slash weight to more based on market regime is the most ideal way to algo trade? Not necessarily. Not necessarily. That's one way, but that might cause you to, I don't know, that's one way, I suppose. I would rather have a ensemble, like a bunch of ensemble, what a word. A bunch of algorithms that can be running at all times. That's the method I prefer. But if you can identify regimes, that's edge. So that's what I'm saying is like, yeah, that works. Like if you can identify a regime and you know your model works in that regime, run it and turn it off when it doesn't work. You know? So that's the beautiful part of this game is there's no like set in stone anything because anything that is set in stone is an arbitrage and that arbitrage gets eaten up by the player. So, you know, that's why I always just recommend people just do the RBI or something similar, research, backtest, implement, and then all ideas you have, you can kind of just see if it works. If you have an algorithm or a strategy that works in one regime, I mean, you know the answer to that. It's a fun game. I like it. It's like build your own journey. How you want to do this, dude? How you want to do this? Can you do it? Most people fail. Most traders fail. We know that. And in this, what I like about quant is there's a learning curve to it. So there's something defensible. You know, if you do go out there and learn how to code and test your ideas, you instantly become a better trader. Okay, next up, model playbook. Rank the top 5 contenders here. All right, so model TCN, temporal convolutional network. Why? It's next level for liquidation. Convolutions see wide receptive fields about the RNN baggage. Super fast training and great on GPUs and TPUs. Perfect for sweeping many hyperparams locally. Parallelizable. Lower wall time than your stacked LSTMs. Handles long sequences without memory blowups. TimesNet informative style transformer. Attention scores. Damn, I haven't heard of these two. I mean, I heard this one earlier today, but from GPT. I guess this is asking the same, pretty much the same. Not exactly the same, but similar. Attention scores let the model focus on which liquidation bursts matter. CycleNet residual cycle forecasting explicitly learns repeating liquidation cycles. Weekend pumps, Asia Wicks. Simple residual MLP. Gradient boosting trees. Brutally strong baseline when you handcraft lags, rolling stats. Tightly coupled convolutional transformer. Why this order gives you the biggest speed to performance pop with minimal refactor. Transformers unlock longer context once you scale to the full 1 year set. CycleNet directly targets the seasonal patterns you already suspect drive liquidations. GBMs are the sanity check baseline and feature importance oracle. Hybrid TCCT is the best of both worlds, but add it only after you know cons and attention each help on their own. So how we'll compare them. Reuse your engineered DF targets and prepare sequences for non-sequence models like GBM. Flatten each lookback window into one row. All right. In one sentence, tell me the next 5 I should run. Just for my notes. Thank you. Because we'll look at them later. And I actually want to go ahead and ask the same prompt to Sonet because I would like a second opinion. I'm going to ask the exact same question. We're almost done with Epoch 1. Nice, dude. Epoch 1 is almost done. Epoch 1 is almost done. That's awesome, dude. That's awesome. That's also... That's awesome. Awesome, 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 Possum. Awesome, awesome, Possum. My market regime made my strategy worse. That sucks. Okay, so